I was working out in my basement, completely bored, and I wasn't really pushing myself very hard. Needed a little bit of a sense of community, and honestly, it's nice to have a little bit of technical skill with the boxing. It makes it way more fun. Being a single dad with approaching middle age, this is probably the most fun I've ever had working out.
For me, at least, it was really about the stress relief. You know, I personally went through, a little life change. It was a little more stressed out than normal. Took my first class 4 years ago and just fell in love with it. If you've never boxed before, you have no idea how sore you're gonna get from it. Really using a lot of muscles you never used before, so you're getting a great overall workout. Really test your cardio as well, and then the 7 minutes of core at the end really burn you out afterwards. So it's a great total body exercise.
I like title boxing because it's an alternative method to working out. I've never boxed before. I've always been a real basketball guy, so it's been real cool to try out the boxing and not have so much pressure about technique. It's a lot of cardio-based stuff, so going into the classes, it's not a lot of pressure for me to really want to do well.
I had my first grand mal seizure in 2022. So I started having to take medication for my epilepsy, and I felt like my brain didn't work. So I came to Title, and I found that it is where I feel good about myself, and I move a little bit better now since all of that's happened in the beginning.
I've been coming to Title Boxing for over 2 years now. The day I got sober from drinking, and it's kept me on the right track.
I love Title Boxing because of all the instructors and the trainers here. I mean, I first started doing this so I could get a cardio workout, get back into climbing 14ers, but just the sense of comfort that I received at this place, I come back almost every day now and do workouts sometimes even twice a day.
I started Title when I was in high school, which was over 6 years ago now, and I started just to stay in shape. I had stopped doing my sports at the time, and so just wanting to try something new. And honestly, it became something much more than just staying in shape for me. Becoming a coach in the past year here has created more of a community here for me, and just a lot of engagement and fun being here. So Title's really meant a lot to me.